Whenever you're trying to decide if something is good for your health or not good for your health, just ask yourself, does this come from nature or not, right? It's really easy to differentiate when you use that lens, right? You say, processed and packaged foods, not from nature, but, whole, real foods, right? Fruits, veggies, meat, eggs, milk, nature, good for you, right? Artificial light, not from nature, sunlight, nature. Right? It's really easy when you use that lens, when you can decide if something is good for your health or not. You want to be using nature to heal you, right? And be connecting more with real things from nature than things that are artificial or things that are man-made, right? When it comes from nature, it's going to support your health. And I do this in my own healing, and in my practice, I guide clients always towards what would nature do? Does this come from nature? Can nature support you here? Because honestly, we are all one, and reconnecting with nature is your ultimate healer. So have a great day. If you need more support, you can reach me at brightlightwellnesscoach.com.